Hello everyone, this is Akatech Yugi as usual. So onto this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get to turn on this one setting so that you can start making money from the posts you make on Facebook. How can you get to do it? Get to tap onto Facebook. Right now we are onto the home page of Facebook. So how can you get to turn on this setting so that on each and every post you make, you make money? So to do this, get to tap onto your profile icon. Once you're done doing that, as you see on my account, it's already turned on. It's what they call the professional mode. So what you're gonna do is tap onto the options icon or the three dots icon, then get over here and get to turn on what they call the professional mode. As you see onto my account, it's already turned on. That's why you see professional dashboard, and over here you see turn off professional mode. So I've already started making money from my Facebook posts. That's how easy it is.